Remember when people worried email would replace face-to-face conversations, or that spreadsheets would eliminate finance teams? Today, similar concerns surround AI in HR. Like these familiar tools, AI isn't here to replace us, but to empower us by enhancing how we work. Let's look at 5 common AI myths in HR and the facts to cut through the hype. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable HR insights. Myth number 1, AI will take every HR job. 31% of employees fear AI replacing them, and bots are everywhere. The reality? It's not entire jobs, but tasks being automated. HR roles are shifting to strategic, human-centric work like coaching, culture building, and strategy. In fact, organizations pairing people and AI outperform those focused on pure headcount reduction. Myth number 2, only deep-pocketed enterprises can afford AI. You need massive budgets and in-house data science teams. The barrier to entry is lower than ever thanks to cloud-based tools and affordable subscriptions. In fact, a TechRadar study found that 25% of UK small and mid-sized businesses are already using Gen AI to handle everyday tasks. If you've got a browser, you can get started. Myth number 3, we'll just ban AI at work and stay safe. No tools, no risk, right? The reality? Bans don't eliminate risk. Without clear policies or approved tools, employees turn to shadow AI, using personal, non-compliant accounts. According to CIO, 74% of workplace ChatGPT use is happening off the radar. Governance beats prohibition every time. Empower your teams with clear guidelines, approved tools, and basic AI literacy. Myth number 4, AI output is always right. We don't need to double check. The reality, even advanced AI models can hallucinate or generate false or misleading information. In one healthcare pilot, OpenAI's Whisper model invented medical phrases. Small mistakes can lead to big consequences. From candidate messaging to employee data, human review isn't optional. It's essential. Myth number 5, HR doesn't need AI skills. AI literacy belongs to tech experts, not HR. The reality, that mindset is already outdated. According to LinkedIn and the World Economic Forum, candidates with AI literacy are 7 times more likely to be hired, even in non-tech roles. Over half of hiring managers say they turn down applicants who lack basic AI literacy. In today's world, AI literacy is part of being successful in HR. On that note, want to know more about how to build essential AI competencies for HR teams? Check out the HR Leader's Guide for Building AI Competencies.